Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today I will be talking about how to set up your YouTube starter kit. So if you are thinking about uploading videos just like this, indoor videos mainly, and you are wondering what equipment you want to buy so you can actually make quality YouTube videos without breaking the bank, this is the video for you. And if you have seen my other videos, that's also in my channel, or if you're interested in videos just like this, please visit my channel or subscribe, and we will be sure to be back with you with more videos just like this on gadgets and the newest ways to find cool electronics. I have also left links on the products that would be talked about in the video description below, so if you are interested in setting up your YouTube starter kit with the equipment I'm talking about in this video, you can check it out and purchase through my links below, and I have left my affiliate links, and if you do purchase, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Okay, so let's get started. So what does it take to actually just have a basic budget YouTube starter kit? Okay, so at the time when I first wanted to start my YouTube channel and actually do uploads of quality videos, I went out to actually get an action camera because I had some ideas of, doing some outdoor recording and indoor recording, and I wanted a camera that can do both indoor and outdoor and still be budget. Okay, so what I ended up getting was a GoPro alternative camera. So it was not a GoPro, but it was a more budget camera that's more of a replica of a GoPro that came from China. So the brand of the action camera was the Akaso EK4000, which is here. So soon after I bought this, I realized I don't really need this because the quality of this camera for indoors, you could use your smartphone camera, depending on what smartphone you have, it would be a lot better quality than this. Okay, so this is a 4K Ultra HD Wi-Fi camera. This costs you about $60 on Amazon or eBay in the United States. Okay, so after I got this, I realized I really don't need this for indoors. If you're trying to do some outdoor recording, this would be a cool alternative as opposed to buying a GoPro, but indoors, you do not need something like this, okay, to produce quality recordings. So what I am doing instead is I am using basically just my smartphone. This smartphone is, the smartphone I'm using, the camera that I'm using on this smartphone is the Samsung Galaxy S9, which I don't think is too different from the from the phone that I upgraded from, which is the Samsung Galaxy S6. They have about the same megapixels, to the best of my understanding. It's about 12 megapixels. Okay, so I don't think they actually did too much improvement on the camera itself. So, in that sense, just using a basic smartphone camera will just do for this purpose, for indoor recordings. If you just want to record yourself indoors and you tell a short story for your recording, this is going to work just fine. Don't go out and try to purchase another camera. That's a mistake I made, but, I'm still going to do some outdoor recordings, so it's not going to be a total waste of money. Also, for a software to record your video, to edit your videos, so I actually went out and bought a software which was called Filmora, and that cost me about, I think, $39.99 or $49.99. Just to do some basic editing, just to trim your videos, to, make some edits within the videos. I believe there's an alternative for this. So if you actually go into your YouTube studio, there should be functions like that where you can actually just make basic edits for free. Okay, so I should not have bought that software, and I hope, if after you listen to my video here, you can make a consideration of if you really do need to go out and buy software and the camera itself, okay? So the action camera, the software, you probably might not need, but do just give it some consideration of the sources that I'm giving you in here, which is the YouTube alternative. There, you can actually use some basic editing functions in the YouTube Studio for free, okay? And then just using your smartphone camera, depending on the specs on your smartphone camera, that might be more effective than buying, an external camera, okay? And the last thing I'm going to mention is buying a desk mount for your phone. So this right here, I am using a desk mount for my phone to actually, have a flexible angle of, just recording. Because sometimes if you don't have a mount, it's going to be very hard to set an angle. But if you have a flexible mount, I can actually just adjust the angle and, make it perfect for what I need. And, I've actually bought 2 mounts. Okay, one was more expensive and even less flexible. Okay, so it was a metal mount, and it really did not have the flexibility I was looking for. So I eventually returned that desk mount because it was just not as flexible as I needed. That cost me about $20. The one I'm using right now is one of those gooseneck desk mounts. So it's actually a lot more flexible because it's a gooseneck. You can really adjust it to any shape that you want, and it's still sturdy enough to hold both your phone and a metal phone case, which is the phone case that I have for my Samsung Galaxy S9 here. Okay, so these are the 3 things you really want to consider when you go out and buy your YouTube starter kit, okay? And, at the end of it, you really don't need to break the bank. I mean, the stuff that I talked about in here, either you already have them or you can just buy them cheaply. This desk mount right here actually costs about $10, and I'm going to leave my affiliate link that will lead you to Amazon or eBay so you can actually purchase it for yourself. Okay, this one actually works great, and I ended up using it for almost all of the recordings that I have here. So, if you actually do end up using my links below to purchase the equipment that I'm talking about in this video, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you since I am an affiliate of both Amazon and eBay. Okay, so thank you very much, and please subscribe and check out my other videos in this channel if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.